Welcome to the Stock Market Daily News Podcast. It's Tuesday, January 7th, 2026, and here's your quick update on yesterday's markets. Wall Street surged to new highs as the Dow finally broke the 49,000 mark, up almost 500 points, a solid 1% jump. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq also rallied, with the S&P notching another record close. We've got game-changing developments from Chevron's rally, a spotlight on memory chip giants, a crypto market comeback, and Warren Buffett's pivotal exit at Berkshire Hathaway. Let's dig in and break down what mattered most for traders and investors. First up, U.S. equities went full throttle. The Dow Jones soared to 49,000, up 485 points. The S&P 500 gained 0.6% to set its own new closing high. The Nasdaq rose 0.7%. The rally was broad, with sectors like materials, healthcare, industrials, and consumer discretionary all leading. Meanwhile, energy stocks lagged as crude oil slipped. The big picture: investors are embracing risk, but momentum is now shifting beyond just tech. Turning to Chevron, the oil giant's shares jumped 5% after President Trump's intervention in Venezuela, which included the abduction of President Nicolas Maduro and a vow to reclaim U.S. control over Venezuelan oil. Wall Street sees Chevron, which already maintained a foothold in Venezuela, as the best-positioned player for new opportunities, but challenges remain. Restoring Venezuela's oil infrastructure will take billions and years, and political and legal risks are high. Still, speculation about U.S. subsidies and control has investors eyeing the energy sector closely. The semiconductor rally picked up speed as well, with memory chip leaders like South Korea's SK Hynix and Samsung Electronics up 11.5% and nearly 16%, respectively. These gains followed bullish comments from NVIDIA's CEO about skyrocketing demand for memory and AI-related chips. In the U.S., SanDisk, Western Digital, and Seagate each posted double-digit stock gains. The takeaway: ongoing chip shortages and the relentless demand for AI tech are lifting the entire semiconductor sector, reinforcing the narrative that tech hardware is far from finished. Over in crypto, Bitcoin broke above $93,000, up 1% for the day and more than 7% so far this year. Ethereum and XRP also posted strong gains, as did Solana and Dogecoin. The rally is blamed on New Year inflows, fading tax loss selling, and a safe haven bid after the U.S. strike on Venezuela. Bitcoin ETFs launched in 2026 have attracted over $1 billion in net inflows just this week. The message for crypto investors: the mood is risk-on, but with spot liquidity still thin, volatility could swing sharply either way. Finally, a generational shift at Berkshire Hathaway. Warren Buffett's formal exit as CEO marks a psychological turning point for the market. The firm now holds a staggering $354 billion in cash, its biggest cash pile ever. Analysts think Buffett's successor, Greg Abel, will keep it dry until the next market stress, hinting that Berkshire may play offense during the next major sell-off. Investors should watch for signals on dividends or shifts in long-held strategies as Berkshire enters its post-Buffett era. That's your roundup. The Dow closes above 49,000, S&P 500 hits another record, energy and chip stocks steal the spotlight, crypto momentum returns, and Berkshire faces a new chapter. Stay tuned for upcoming earnings reports and watch out for Friday's U.S. jobs data, which could sway market sentiment. Don't forget to subscribe and join us again tomorrow for the latest market action and insights. Thanks for listening.